Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my Kabbalistic people, enough is enough. Today, I have to release this. These are Mazi have a wonderful message. In fact, enough is enough. Enough of all this Ebubeagu and what is happening in southeastern part of Nigeria. They need somebody to brush them this way. I just want you to listen to him, and I'll be right back.
In bondage, una wait there for. I dey tell you now, we are living in bondage where you cannot speak. If you speak, your own brother will be Igbo man, will be coming after your life. Ndị Igbo emeruni ha ele. Ego, taking advantage of things and commit crime. This is a crime. Who don't like money? Bro, una know they see. Make I tell you now. I dey get chances for life. I dey get chances to enter crime. Where we say some crime there where we go enter. I believe money is not everything. In as much as I don't like Nigeria, that name Nigeria, I still represent well. I represent Nigeria more than the governors. I represent Nigeria more than the president of Nigeria. I represent Nigeria more than the Federal Republic. Do you know why? I've been outside the country for years. Crime they come, I know they Gree do. I know they Gree commit crime. I know they Gree. You go to see people. I mean, you go to do only organic mega actory like this. Organic mega actory like this. Please, money is not everything. The moment you understand that I like money, I want money. I swear, make I tell you now something. See, this is the sound of Israel. This is, you see, this is, I want to tell you something. This is a sound of Israel. You see, what thing I want to talk now, if I lie, may God punish me. I'm using the land of Israel to swear. Some Israelites went know me yesterday. If I know what thing they carry put me, they tell me, say, hey, see amount of money what they go give me, make I do something. They go buy house on my name. They want to buy house on my name. You get money where you go come to me every month. I said they want to buy house on my name. They want to buy house on my name. They want to make me a millionaire. I don't know what they mean, but I understand the situation. We talk, okay, we go buy the house on your name. Glad this, that. That's a crime. I know. That's a crime. I'm not a citizen. Where do I get the money to buy a house in Israel? And I'm going to get commission. I go get commission on that. I look at myself. I smile. I said, I talk to them. I drink. I eat cake and drink Coca-Cola. There's somebody that knows me. Do you know how much that is involved? Bro, that's not a good opportunity. An opportunity where we say go put me for jail. Like for life. I go because of money. That is why many of you are there for Malaysia inside jail. You get one brother where we there here today. Today I'm talking to the Igbo people. You people are so selfish and self-centered. You get one of our brother where they here. We they work together. You don't reach almost, if not be 8 to 9 months where you there for jail now. He go jail for Brazil because he go carry coke. They live for Brazil. He go back South Africa. Before he go South Africa, before they live for jail, they don't collect his wife. God can't give you opportunity. You come to Israel. You they work, you they make money. Do you know what happened? He go they take drug from South Africa with DHL. He there for jail now. This one not be said they tell me. Person will be say you they make up more than 3 million. You are making more than 3 million naira every month. You have 2 jobs. You are an adult. That guy is more than 50 years. I they ask this question. Say Igbo people say they swear for una. Some of una, not be all of us. Money. Now so they carry 30,000. They give una. Come recruit una. They do Ebubeagu. That's a Ebubeagu way they do. And you are kidnapping and killing and selling body parts. Nobody, the king cannot say anything. Nobody can utter everything. People live in fear in Biafra land. You see, let me tell you, Ebubeagu or any other security outfit out there, let me tell you, they are using you to protect their properties. They are using you to protect their money. They are using you to protect themselves. I want to tell you, Ebubeagu, no king lives forever. You are not going to be in that position forever. No matter whose security or whatever crime you are committing, commit the crime. Have you ever think that one day you are going to die and leave your children? Have you ever think about it? Have you ever thought that one day you are going to die and leave your wife? Have you ever thought that one day you're going to die? Where are you going to be? Every time when I'm going to make us angry, every day in a drama for Southeast. You people cannot do any simple investigation. The Fulani people, the army, the police, they are killing innocent people. The people where they kill their innocent people, they are taking advantage to fight back. When they tell you say na people na Biafra na Ipob, you too you agree with the governor saying na Ipob they cause problem. IPOB is not the problem. The problem is the leadership. Una do there they kill una own brother, they kidnap for Southeast. Why Fulani people are releasing their own criminals? Jihadists. They are releasing them into the society. Guess what? You know where they come? They are coming to join the Ebubeagu to kill all of una. Look una there. They talk say, I no go gree, I no go gree. Hey. We were there abroad, we're supposed to be una hero because we there here, we fit talk so that you can hear us. Because we cannot say all these things in Nigeria, we cannot speak loud. If you speak loud too much, they're gonna come after you and kill you. Because they don't care. If you are not living in bondage in Southeast, can I ask you something? Why you not get international airport for Southeast? Why embassy not there for Southeast? Are you going to tell me, those of you that are joining Ebubeagu, are you going to tell me you like the way that you not like the way where Southeast there? So you are not representing in anything. Even those who are representing you in the Senate House, they not go build road for now. Is your electricity working? Oh, una they get electricity. Ebubeagu, una they get electricity. Those stupid idiots, they are using advantage. They are using advantage that they give them gun to commit crime, and the governors are not seeing it. Why did they create Ebubeagu? I thought they create Ebubeagu because of the terrorists, Fulani people. I thought Ebubeagu would be in the forest. Have you ever heard that the Yoruba Ebubeagu, they kill Yoruba people? Of course, there are some crimes committed, but you know, be like our own, no, kidnapping. Innocent people. Amoteku don't do that. You're kidnapping a very young boy. My brothers and sisters, I don't care what you think about what I said this morning. All of us, we are living in bondage. Whether you like it or not, I am a victim. You are a victim. Those who be Ebubeagu, let us find out if they are Igbo-speaking people. Simon Ekpa, let us put a bounty on the people that kidnapped that boy. Let us put a bounty. Since when we say Igbo people, they like money, even their own person go. The people where they among those children go do it in. They go sell themselves out. That's what I was expecting. Simon Ekpa, let us put a bounty on them. 10 million, 15 million. We want to know those who came to kidnap that boy. We want to know where the boy is. Even if they release that boy, we still want to come after them. We want to know who they are. Who is bankrolling you? Why should you go in a community and pick up 11-year-old boy? The boy is just going to 12 years, it's 11 and a half years. At 11, I don't know how to write ABCD. You are going to a community to kidnap my future president in Biafra. You go to the community to kidnap my future president, my future governor. Thunder go fire on that place where una dey. Don't worry, you can never be a king forever, even if it is in 100 years. Now, if you are hungry, my brother Greek Dominic, even if they are hungry, they take the advantage. If you see where your brother they talk say Ebubeagu, now if you kill that person, what do you take? What is your profit by killing a young man who believes in the ideology of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What do you gain by killing, kidnapping, torture somebody who believes in the ideology of freedom? I want to tell all Igbo people now, if they hear me, don't criticize any of your brother on social media that is fighting for freedom. Only criticize anybody where they talk down on any agitators. That is the people you should attack. I shouldn't be here talking against any of my brothers, because both of us are living in bondage. We are living in bondage. The Fulani people are gradually coming to take over. Make I tell you something you people don't know. Make I tell you what you don't know. You see, let me explain something to you. An Israeli Palestinian told me one day. I they follow them work that day in this same place where they work with a Jewish. Him they drive different car. That guy they drive different car. When we jam, where would they walk? The guy can't tell me, say, this guy is a Palestinian. The guy also tell me, he said, yes, I'm a Palestinian. This guy is a Jew. He said, one day we are going to take over this country. We are not in a rush. We are going to take over the world because Islam, that is the plan. That gradually there's no, he said it is gradually and they are getting there. He said, I said, how? He said, do you know in United Kingdom, we are gaining ground in United Kingdom. We are gaining ground in Europe. I said, how do you mean? He said, do you know how many mosques they have in Europe? I said, they have, it's gradually, before there's no Muslim there, but gradually they are entering. This is exactly what is happening in Nigeria. When I think say this thing is not real, it is real. It is real. Islam is taking over slowly. That is why they are going to see Christianity is going to die, like it's going to die because we are not fighting back. Now, what thing they want be that, you see, oh my God, I don't know how to explain this to you people. Excuse me, let me play something. I think I want to, let me see if I can find this video to play it. We are dying slowly in southeast Nigeria. Seriously, dying slow. We are dying slowly. Islam is real. They're gonna take over Nigeria. They know they rush to they know they rush. They are not rushing, they are taking it slow. They have been on it for years. Slowly. Your flag, your military flag is Islam. In your constitution, Islam. Christians are not mentioned there. Still, you people they do mumu now 10% when a pastor they collect. These people don't do anything. You see, this Israel where they so this Israel where talks say they get power. If Israel not take time, that is why you must see Israel powerful. If Israel not take time, one day nobody go wake up for this country. Israel and Iran, they fight every day. Israel the day here they destroy Iran because Iran won't build nuclear weapon. What is nuclear weapon known for? Destruction. With one button they can destroy Israel. But Israel as it is so, no talk say I tell you, Israel they get only one button. They won't destroy Iran. If they won't destroy any other country, now one button like this. If they press and like this, only one about. Man, how much can that kind of weapon? It got to go. So every day, Hannah knows go. I'm trying to see a video that I want to play here. I want to see if I'm going to play a video on this platform so that una go know say Islam is real. You see, una think say maybe na because of una oil. No, na agenda. That is the agenda. Agenda to make sure they fulfill their whether na Quran or whatever Muhammad tell them. Let me see if I can see this. I want to play this via 247 TV. I want to see if I can see that video here. Okay, this is one of the video. I want to play it. I want to Don't worry. I'm going to play you a video now. Let us go by the video here, where you are going to be hearing voices.
You've learned in this time, during the last 6 months, you will surmount these challenges.
The highlight of the graduation ceremony is a heart-touching apology by a client on behalf of his colleagues.
And we will definitely not disappoint.
The Nigerian military, the Nigerian Federation, the Fulani Nigerians recruit the terrorists, well known to the world, into the society. That is what you are going to hear now. I didn't plan for this, but
what he has done, he will never regret it. We will be the good ambassador.
It has nothing to do with Biafra.
see what they are doing to Mama Kamsi. This is not.
Graduation ceremony is a heart-touching apology by a client on behalf of his colleagues.
And we will definitely not disappoint him. That what he has done, he will never regret it.
Let me show you. This is the full
ambassadors of these very facilities wherever we found ourselves.
Look at the background of that video that I'm going to show you. They are the terrorists, repentant. They call them repentant Boko Haram. Repentant terrorists that invade the military, kill the army, kill the police, kill the society, and people are still living in Sambo. People are living in the tents in the forest right now because of these people. But what do? They bring them back to the society, give them money. Oh my God.
In fact, no matter how these people try to hide all the atrocities they are committing, the truth must definitely stand one day. No matter how they try to shut the people, one day there must be a reason for them to arise and do the needful. You can't beat a child and say the child should not cry. Never. A time will come, everything will turn to normal. And this thing they are doing will put a stop to it. I don't know why you derive joy in killing your own sister, your own brother, to suit some people because of cheeky change. Come on, we can do more better. So my realistic people, I said let me bring this update here because what our brother said is the truth. A lot of people are in bondage in Nigeria. They can't cough out, they can't speak out. It's just like suffering and smiling. No other choice but the end. That is what we are seeing right now. Everything is going to turn anew very soon. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you for listening. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.